Okay, today we're doing jump game, and this is not a tutorial. Okay, ignore this. I was trying something and it didn't work, and I realized why. So I'm gonna have to take a different approach to this. So the idea will still be the same. I'll just try to always jump the maximum amount, and then keep going from there. And if I ever reach a zero, which means I'm like stuck, instead of jumping that maximum amount, so like in this case 3, I'll jump a little less. So I'll jump 2 instead and try it, and then jump 1 instead and try it. Yeah, I guess we'll do a for loop. So we'll do for let I 0. Actually, it's gonna be complicated. We're gonna start I at nums at 0, actually. So in this case, that would be a 2. And we're gonna say I greater than equal to 0, and then I minus minus, actually. Because this always takes the first element of the array, I'm just gonna slice this nums array so that the first element of the array is like where I'm jumping to. So you'll see what that means in a second here. So I'll say let something is equal to can jump of nums.slice. And so, okay, let's say we jump 2, right? That means 0, 1, 2. So we want to start this new array at the second index. So I think I just put 2 here. Or sorry, not 2. I, whatever I is. And if something is true, then return true. We're recursing after this jump, right? And then we're assuming like, okay, that recursion works. And it'll tell me, okay, from there, can you reach the last index? And if you can, then obviously I can reach the last index too, because I just jumped to this index. And actually, even before this, I should check I can jump to the last index. So I would say if nums at 0 is more than or equal to nums.length minus 1, I should return true. And let's try that. And it works, so let's submit. Okay, we got wrong answer, but it's okay because this seems like an edge case. So what if nums is just 0? I think I'm just gonna say if nums.length, I'm missing brackets, is 1, that means you're already at the end of the array. So just return true. Okay, great, that works. Let's submit. Time limit exceeded. Okay. Am I really recursing too much? Okay, so I've looked at the solution, and the idea is to go backwards, which I thought of because like a lot of problems have like this like so tricky solution, but in the end it's just, oh, go backwards. But I didn't immediately see why that would be faster than just going forwards, and I still don't completely understand why that's faster, but in some sense it's like greedier, I guess. And then you're always looking for like the most efficient solution when you move backwards somehow. I'm not really sure, but to move backwards, I didn't really look at that much code, so I don't know how good this is gonna be, but I'm gonna start with basically your target moves. So the target will start at nums.length minus 1, and then we're gonna move backwards through the array. So let I equal nums.length minus 1, I greater than equals 0, I minus minus. And if at any point you can reach this last index from a lower index, you move the target, and we should actually start at nums.length minus 2. If I plus this nums at I, so like let's say we're here, this is index 3, if we can add 1 to it, which is this, and reach 4, then we're good. So if that's greater than or equal to your target, then target should now become I. Target is 0 at the end, then obviously you reach the beginning. So you should return true, and then otherwise you turn false? No way. Okay, I wrong answered. Whoops. Hold on. Oh my god. Whoops. 2 equals there. That's a mistake. Okay, yeah, just a typo. Whoops. And it works. Wow. Okay, so going backwards. I'll definitely think about that more, like why it's actually that much faster. But yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.